Hello everyone, in today's video I will show you a beautiful trade that I recently executed, and this trade is still running, but I'm going to show you the whole process of taking this trade. And in this trade actually I am willing to make 42R. Yes, you heard it right, 42R. That will be my target. Okay, so let me show you the full process. Okay, as you can see here, we had this order block right here. Okay, so we are in the weekly chart, so that was our weekly order block. Okay guys, but in that weekly order block is too big. This is a big area. Okay, this is a big area. So what I did actually from here, I went down to daily chart. So on the daily chart here, you can see that I have got a small order block. Okay, after that order block, I have this ERC candle 1, ERC candle 2, ERC candle 3. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is just gonna wait for the price to come into this area. Okay, now let's go back to the weekly chart. So right now I'm in the weekly chart. Now let's come out of this, and as you can see here, recently price actually came here, inside that weekly order block, but inside the weekly order block we have another daily order block, daily imbalance. Okay, so price actually came deep, very deep, and collected all the orders. Whenever price actually come below below the 50% of a order block, that's a Fibonacci, and that's a 50% here. Okay, whenever price come 50% below in an order block, it means you can say that all the order was collected. Okay, so now let me go to the 4 hours chart. Okay, so I'm in the 4 hours chart right now. As you can see, in this 4 hours chart, now I will be waiting for an imbalance. Imbalance, like you see all these small candles, there was here order block, there was an imbalance, ERC candles, all these small candles, then two big candles, imbalance, all these small candles. Okay, then big candles, then imbalance. Okay, so here I'm just gonna wait for imbalance. Okay guys, in the 4 hours chart. Now let's go forward, and here let me just clean it a little bit. And as you can see that, guys, in this 4 hour chart we had this ERC candle, and we had this imbalance. Okay guys, okay, and not only that, if we just connect this peak here and this peak here, what will happen? You can see that the trend line was broken. Okay guys, this is not a peak, this is not a peak, this is a CP. Okay, this is a CP, this is not a peak, this is a CP. Okay, so you cannot connect CPs, you have to connect peaks. You have to connect, this is a peak, so you have to connect this peak and this peak here. Okay, now as you can see that minimum one candle actually above, let me 1 second. So after the trend line was broken, one candle actually consolidated away. Okay, and these two candle was very strong move. You know, you need a lots of money to make this kind of move. So now, as you can see that I placed the order here. Okay, and my trade was executed. I will take you to my MetaTrader and show you that I placed the order and my target, because I bought in a very good position. You know, I was lucky to get a good move. So now my target will be until here. Okay, until here. Why is here? That because last time when the move was, you know, when market actually reverse from this area, you can see that price actually 1 2 3 4 5 weeks in a row price actually went up, and then price made a consolidation. Okay, so that's why I think if we have the same buyers here like the last time, then they will push the price until this area here. Okay, but not only that, let me clean everything here. You can also see the monthly actually price. You know, today is the last day of the month. Okay, today is the last day of the month, as you can see here. Just a second. This candle here, today is the last day of the month, 31st of October. Even in the monthly, you see that this candle actually, you know, actually finishing with a big, you know, wick. So we can definitely hold this trade until this level here. Now let me take you to my MetaTrader and show you how I place the order. So I'm in my MetaTrader right now. This is the IC market broker I have. One second. As you can see here, I placed the order here. And not only that, and as you can see here, I bought, you know, I'm in a buy, okay, here. And I also actually placed another order that is a buy limit order, as you can see here, buy limit. But this one is a buy. It means I'm in the trade. And as you can see here, in number 1, as you can see, the trade was executed at number 2. But you see, it was a sniper entry, you know, stop loss like 11 pips. Okay, and then we had another imbalance here. But price never came into this area. You know, this candle here, it looks like came into this area here, but it never, because it was just a spread when the market opens. So price never actually came into this area. Okay, so then we had a new imbalance right here, that one here, but price never came into this area. Then we have now another imbalance here, and I placed the order here, as you can see here, buy limit. Okay, but as you can see here, if I'm losing only points, 11.1 points, like 11.1 pip, and I'm gonna hold this trade until here. That will be 466.2 pips. Okay, so if I just take the calculator, so 466.2 divided by 11.1, and that's gonna give me 42R. Okay, And of course this trade is running, but I actually believe that this trade will reach my target. Of course, I'm going to publish this video, so whenever you see this video after 1 year, 2 year, after 1 month, 2 months, you will see it by yourself. If it doesn't make 42 hour, then I will be maybe in break even. And of course I will be entering new trades on the way. Okay guys, so for the first trade my target is 42 hour, and I am already actually running on this trade 15-16 hour, you know, 16 hour plus on this trade. Yeah, kind of 16 hour, I think. Yeah, 15 or 16 hour I'm just running on it. Okay, thanks for watching guys, and I wish you very nice day. And if you like the video, please remember to subscribe and hit the thumbs button. Thank you.